Meghan Markle's got a sexy pasta sauce hack you have to try. It's only 4 ingredients. We are already pretty obsessed with Meghan Markle's secret ingredients in the kitchen. Her roast chicken did score her a prince, after all. Now we have come across her secret pasta hack, which she shared in an interview in her pre-royal years, and we cannot wait to try it. Meghan Markle told Delish that she starts her sexy, filthy pasta sauce with a pretty common base, onions sautéed in some oil, before adding water, bouillon and her secret ingredient, zucchini. She lets it simmer for 4 hours and the zucchini breaks down into a rich, creamy but deceptively healthy sauce. Markle called the end result a zucchini Bolognese, a vegetarian spin on a meat sauce, which she tosses with pasta, seasons with salt, pepper, and lemon juice, then finishes with parmesan and red pepper flakes. The sauce gets so creamy, you would swear there's tons of butter and oil in it, but it's just zucchini, water and a little bouillon, Meghan said. Now, we can only hope Markle's secret recipe is making its way into her royal life, too. The Duchess's niece, Princess Charlotte, is said to be a fan of pasta, so fingers crossed that the little princess is invited over for dinner with Aunt Meg and Uncle Harry soon.